Hi, this is the 3D printed shelf that's seemingly floating in the air. Ever since the quarantine, I have no wedding videos to do, so I've been playing around with the 3D printer, and these are some of my 3D printed shelf. You can have the mirrorless camera shelf for free, and I'll put the link in the description below. With the bigger cameras, I'll have the link to my website where you can buy directly. Installation is really simple. All you have to do is buy the 1.5-inch bracket, screw it into the wall, use anchor as necessary, and then use a 1/4-inch screw mount to screw your camera through the 3D printer shelf. So there you go. This one is super sturdy for mirrorless camera. The bigger camera, such as the 707 from Sony that you're seeing, has a bigger base plate, so that way it looks prettier and more sturdy. Oops, that's the baby waking up. And so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I better get going to take care of the baby.